Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be using the 35V to create a peachy pink eye look. I will link the other tutorials and the review that I did with this palette in the cards. So let's get started. I have already applied concealer and set that, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Risque as my transition. Next, I'm going in with the shade Turned On and putting that in the outer corner and crease. Next, I'm just going to blend. Next, using my finger, I'm going to take the shade Three Little Words and put that onto the lid. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Heartbreaker and put that in the middle of the lid. Next, I'm going to take a little bit more of the shade Turn On and use that again in the outer corner and crease. Next, I'm going to blend a little more and put on the shimmers again if necessary. I'm going to take the shade Knockout for the inner corner highlight. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Turned On. And the last step is to apply mascara. This is the finished look. I really like how this turned out. I know a lot of people don't like Morphe, but personally I think that they are have very good quality products. And I absolutely love their eyeshadow palettes. And I think they're good because you get a lot of shades for your money's worth. I think a lot of their newer palettes are better because they're more unique. They have more colors. I really love the 35V and the Jaclyn Hill palette. I would definitely recommend one of those palettes if you're looking to try a Morphe palette. But anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!